Hello beauties, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make a turmeric oil, but first you will be needing a saucepan, olive oil or coconut oil, turmeric powder, a spoon, 2 bowls, a strainer, a storage bottle. First, place the saucepan over a low heat depending on the quantity you want to make. But in this video, I poured 4 cooking spoons of olive oil into the saucepan and allow it to simmer for 1 minute. Here is turmeric powder, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then I will stir it. You will need to allow it to simmer over a low heat for about 10 minutes with a gentle stir on intervals. As we wait, let me tell you some benefits of turmeric for your skin. Turmeric is a spice for cooking because of its health benefits, and it also has beauty benefits. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, and it has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and also it has a natural antiseptic. Turmeric can also work wonders on any skin conditions like eczema, and it also fights acne and helps to keep the bacteria from spreading. Turmeric can also reduce redness and blemishes. It's also used as a wrinkles treatment. It fades off dark circles and also helps to delay signs of aging. Turmeric lightens the skin. Turmeric can also restore your natural glow and treat uneven skin tone. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and allow the oil to cool to room temperature. Strain the oil to remove the turmeric particles. Strain again. Pour the oil into a clean glass or plastic bottle for storage. And here is a pure turmeric oil. You can rub it directly on your skin, add it to your body lotion, your hair shampoo. You can add it to your soaps or oils. Turmeric is super effective. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like and share if you find this video helpful. And also the comment section is open for any questions. See you soon. Bye bye.